Hello everyone. Today we are in the world famous workshop of Hollywood Rick. I don't know why there's birds behind me, but I thought I'd start there. Today we're going to be taking on a pretty big project. This is my bike. It's only been sitting outside for about 6 years, and as I can do nothing at all that has to do with being a handyman or manly in general, this guy's gonna have to help me and lead me through this process. But the goal is to go on gnarly mountain bike rides, which you will see right now. Pretty cool, right? There's more of that to come, but first we're gonna fix this bike. Let's go. So what do you think, dude?
Well, I'm looking at it, it's just a little dusty, but you know, since it's been sitting for so long, there's no wear and tear on it really. I mean, front brakes are brand new, brake lines need tightening, you know, the spin on it is good. It's rubbing on the brake here, so it needs a little adjustment. But other than that, I mean, honestly, just tires, chain, new seat, and she's good to go. You know, she's in good condition.
Nice.
Despite sitting for like 6 years.
That's right. I keep mountain bikes in the best condition when not. I don't know. Stupid brag. All right.
My favorite spot.
This is your spot?
This is my spot.
Oh, we got some stuff.
Magic sauce.
Check it out. Little cleaner. We got some new tires. We got some chain and other things. I don't know what all these things are, but we're about to put them on the bike. Let's go. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Rick's workshop. Here's the haul from the bike shop. We got 2 new tires. We got a brand new seat because this is what the old seat looked like. Pretty disgusting. 2 new inner tubes and a new chain. And although Rick recommended I get new pedals as well, I said no. So Christine, you're welcome.
Next, we're gonna clean everything up before we actually put it back together, because you don't want to have new, pretty clean parts on dirty stuff.
That makes sense.
Then you're gonna have to clean it and get soap all over it.
Nice. Okay, yeah, I'll film you while you clean everything.
Yeah, sure. You're cleaning it.
Rick's adding a little WD-40 to the wheels.
Mind you, you shouldn't use WD-40. Some of you might be like, why are you using WD-40? Because I don't have any grease, but it works the same.
Little attitude right there. I guess that's a sore subject.
All right, so here's the tube. And you know, someone told me once, it's like spaghetti. If you try to handle this, it's gonna be harder when you're trying to put it in the tube, in the tire, because it's just really limp. So what you want to do is just add a little bit of air, not too much, just a little, so you're able to mold it. Like right there's perfect. So you're able to mold it inside the tire, and it sits in there easier than just being all limp and noodle kind. All right, so get the tire in there. This one seems like it's gonna sit in there further.
You put the tire on before the inner tube?
I do it that way. People like to do it differently. You know, everybody has their own technique. This is the way one of the guys taught me when I first got into road bikes and cycling. You know, he showed me this way, and so far it's been the easiest way for me to do it. So what I'll do here is just start feeding the tube around the tire, and that's why I mean it's easier when you have a little bit of air in it, because it's easier to get it to sit in there.
Yeah.
And it's not just getting caught everywhere.
Pump it up.
And I want to slowly fill it. So if I need to make any adjustments to the wheel, make sure it's beating nice and even.
This isn't fun.
Yeah, so we're getting there. Mike got the tube in the tire now, and he's working it in. And like I told him, you just massage it in little by little.
I felt like I was doing good until you turn the camera back on. All right, I totally know how to do this part, but we'll let Rick demonstrate this portion for you.
Oh, I gotta do it, huh?
Yeah, we'll see if you know.
See if I remember what you do.
Yeah.
It's going on here like this for now, and then we'll make the adjustments once the seat is on the bike. We'll determine where you're. Let's see. That's a little high. So we want to go down and forward. Alright, so I release the brake levers, and I'm just going to let a little bit of air out just to get the tire past the brakes. Woo. Now we can engage. Yeah. Recording? Yeah.
Yeah. Quick update. We just had a delicious lunch, and now I need a nap. But Rick insists that we need to keep working, so we're gonna put on this chain. All right, got to take some length out of the new chain because it's a little long.
So you don't want to push the pin completely out, or you can get it in, but it's okay. There it is. So it's as far as you want to go with it.
Nice.
You can come a little bit more, but you know you run the risk of pushing the pin completely out, and then you gotta work backwards and put it back in.
Ooh, that doesn't sound fun.
It's not fun.
Oh, so fast. Well, I think we're calling it for the day, but bike looking pretty good. Here she is. We're just gonna do a, say again, Rick, a tune-up?
Give it a tune-up. Yeah, so get all the lines switched out, put brand new lines, brand new gear lines, brand new brake lines, and get the gear ratios tuned in the back.
Nice. So yeah, we'll let the pros get in there, and then we're mountain biking. So look forward to us falling down a mountain. Let's go. Well, now that I've fixed up this bike almost completely on my own, Rick helped a little bit, we're gonna test it out. So here we go.
Don't die, Mike.
Oh yeah. Hi everyone, we are in the Chimney Peak wilderness area. We come here a lot. We do a lot of fun playing things, but today we are going to drive down a mountain on mountain bikes, and it's going to be insane. And I don't really know what to expect because I haven't done this before. But as you saw, we fixed up some mountain bikes, and now we're going to ride. So stay tuned. And thank you so much to Mossman's Catering and Restaurants and the New Dawn Clothing Company for making this video possible. Thank you so much. Let's go. Woo! Here we go. Oh, this one's bumpy. Let Rick catch up a little bit. Here he comes. Nothing, just waiting for you. Dude, my hands hurt so bad just from getting throttled. Well, that was like the most fun I've ever had. So some of me, I can't even tell. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Click right over here to subscribe. I would super appreciate that. And over here you can watch more videos. Like, I'd recommend our Costa Rica series from 2020. Pretty awesome. But go check those out right now. Thanks, guys.